Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making Thanksgiving Custard Cups. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Thanksgiving Custard Cups. You'll need 1 cup of crushed milk biscuits or graham crackers, 1/4 cup of melted butter, crushed pistachios, vanilla pudding, butterscotch pudding, and pistachio instant pudding, with 2 cups of milk for each of those, and some whipped topping or Cool Whip. And this is how your Thanksgiving custard cups should look like. It's an easy dessert to make during Thanksgiving, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!